Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up an n8n self-hosted automation for business processes, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by determining the appropriate hosting environment for n8n. You can use a local machine, cloud service, or a dedicated server. Ensure that your environment meets the minimum system requirements. Next, install Docker if it's not already installed on your machine. Docker is essential for running n8n in a containerized environment. Open your terminal and pull the n8n Docker image by running the command docker pull n8neo/n8n. Once the image is downloaded, create a new container for n8n. Use the docker command docker run dname n8n p5678:5678 en8n_basic_auth_active equals true en8n_basic_auth_user equals your username e. Replace your username and your password with your chosen credentials. After executing the command, check if n8n is running successfully. Visit http://localhost 5678 in your web browser. Next, configure n8n environment variables as needed for your business processes. Common variables include database configuration, webhook URLs, and authentication settings. For example, if you're using PostgreSQL, set the necessary environment variables like n8n_database_type and n8n. You can also connect n8n to various API services by integrating them through credentials. Navigate to the Credentials section in the n8n interface. Select the service you wish to connect and input the required information. Once you've set up your credentials, begin creating your workflows. Click on Create Workflow to start building your automation process. Utilize nodes to represent each step in your process, such as trigger events and actions. Connect nodes by dragging lines to define the flow of your automation. Make sure to test each workflow step thoroughly to ensure functionality. Use the Execute Workflow button to run your workflow and observe its performance. Once satisfied, save your workflow and consider scheduling it if it needs to run periodically. Explore the community nodes for enhanced functionality and integrations. Regularly back up your n8n instance and configurations. Monitor performance and make adjustments where necessary to optimize workflows. Remember to consult the n8n documentation for advanced configurations and tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.